The unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. Welcome to another video. Today unboxing video is the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. It is a refurbished phone from AliExpress, so let's start the unboxing. Nowadays, like, they're doing very good packaging, so that the phone didn't damage. That's the side. Very good package again. Old bubble. This is the phone with the box. That's all the description were inside. So see how the phone look like. There's the phone. The IMEI number. There's a dual SIM phone, so the manual, normal, earphone, charger. That's the UK charger, and the USB cable. Nothing inside. So, to open the phone, that's the phone. Battery should be, yeah, battery. Remove this. To see how it looks like. So remove the plastic. This refurbished phone, what it look like. A brand new phone, you can see it. No scratches, nothing. I think it's very good. Like, it cost me around 59 euro. So that's the phone. Setting, about device, Android 4.4 cricket. So that's it. So I will say, like, this is a good phone. Like, it completely look like brand new if you want to gift to someone, so they will not recommend this refurbished. So, and it will cost you cheap as well, around 60 euros. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.